What's good, everybody? Back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make passive Bitcoin mining. So yeah, I've dropped a video on this before, but I want to go show you another way, go into detail about how to make money or Bitcoin doing this with affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing is, you just market your links out on your platform such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you socialize at. And how you would do that is by, let me see here, you see this link here, any of those social medias, you just copy your link. Why this is all blank, because I don't mine on this device, I mine on my other one. So I'm earning, I'm not sure how much a day, but however much Bitcoin it can do on a iPhone 10, that's how much I'm mining a day. And right now I'm not able to send it to my Bitcoin wallet. Probably gonna have to send it to Coinbase, I'm not too sure, or maybe I'll just let it mine until I feel it's ready. But all you would have to do is copy your link as I showed you, go to any of your social medias and paste it there and tell people to sign up, and you would earn passive Bitcoin mining income. As in, I don't know how much you would be able to make. Let's see if they have the, let's see. Do they have it here? So right here, if you would click affiliate and marketing, I believe it said, this would show you how to, if you're not sure how I'm speaking, if it's not good enough for you, you will go here and it will show you step by step how to market your link and earn passive Bitcoin. But if you would like to try out this app, I will have the link in the description waiting for you. But don't miss out on this opportunity. Bitcoin is at almost 12,000. It hits 20,000, more people are gonna know, and it's gonna be less and less Bitcoin out there to be mined. So I just want to let everybody know, like, subscribe, share, and I'll be back with another video.